Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can see your subscribers on YouTube. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and open up a new tab. Here, search for youtube.com and give it a go. Now, you will be redirected to the official YouTube website. So sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. After that, tap on the three dots icon at top right hand corner and select Request Desktop Site from the drop-down menu. Now the website will look something like this. Here, zoom into the profile icon at the top and tap on it. After that, select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu and all of your channel analytics will be displayed. You can see that all of my recent subscribers are being displayed. You can also see the whole list by tapping on the See All embed. So that's basically how you can see your subscribers on YouTube. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.